Hello friends, today we are celebrating our Independence Day. I, Yusuf Khan Ismail Khan Tak, congratulate all my countrymen. We won our freedom after long struggle and sacrifice. The Britishers made us slaves for almost 200 years. But still, we are slaves. We are slaves of these 5 bad things: rumor, hatred, dirt, corruption, and indiscipline. Rumor. Don't spread rumor. Rumor is like to add poison into someone's ears. Rumor can cost even lives of innocents. Rumor is like fire. Don't play with it. Rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, and accepted by idiots. Hatred. Remove hatred. Hatred is a weapon of politicians. Hatred mars images of our country all over the world. Hatred is a poison. Where is the time to hate when there is a little time to love? Dirt. Make country free from dirt. I don't want to see our country dirty anymore. Take resolution today. We will not keep any our place dirty. We will not allow pollution at all. Cleanliness should be our motto. Corruption. Boycott corruption. Corruption is a national problem. Corruption is making our country poor. Corruption is responsible for bad roads, bridges, and old constructions. Corruption must be thrown away from country before it becomes system. Indiscipline. Avoid indiscipline. Indiscipline is the root cause of failure. Indiscipline creates problems in education, health, traffic, and more other areas. Indiscipline is making our society full of unmannered people. Indiscipline in thought is the result of indiscipline in action. Change your thought process. Get rid of all these 5 bad habits. Get rid of all these 5 evils. Celebrate Independence Day with great enthusiasm. Salute our martyrs. Serve our nation first. Thank you very much.